Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. An ex-police trainee has been taken into custody as detectives continue their investigation into the shooting death of JDF soldier private E.J. Domville in Denham Town, Kingston. The man is also reportedly a person of interest in relation to other criminal incidents in the community. Private E.J. Domville was on foot patrol in the vicinity of Charles Street and Chestnut Lane on August 23 when he was shot and killed. At the time, the police said the soldiers were in pursuit of men who opened gunfire at them sometime around 1:30 a.m. When the shooting ended, the soldier was found with a gunshot wound to the face. He was 20 years old. On Friday, September 27, officers of the Pink Lane Mobile Patrol Team arrested the 31-year-old man. The Major Investigation Division is leading the case.